Alright, so I'm mainly going to just demo the disc bender here from Freund, which we stock at Prestige. I have got the mini bender here to get us started, more predominantly for smaller things, not such a run of this length, but it will get us out of trouble today. And the reason that we're showing you this is most of these other benders only bring you up to 90 degrees. This takes you past that point, can even create a hook. So I'm going to create a hook with this today. Obviously, first of all, using your normal roller or your mini roller, you've set your gauge and your depth, how far you want to go in, and you get that first fold up. So just getting that crease line in like so, and getting that up. You need to get up to the 90 degrees before you're going to be able to get the edge roller in there. Like I said before, it's not the greatest tool for doing decent long lengths in this, but it will do the job. It's more for this one's more for getting around your curves or something a bit smaller, but still, it's not a bad job and it does get it there. Right, when we come over to this fella, to the disc bender, this is the main one we want to show. We've only got a depth of 50 mil here. So if you're taking anything any further or anything like that, you are going to have to make it in the shop. But today we're only doing a 15 mil hook and that's what we want to achieve. So quite simply, place it in, get that first run line, start to apply the pressure. I like to hold it under the handle. I find that it gives it a bit more control and a bit more stability as you're bringing it over. Really, really simply, just keep bringing that down. As you can see, it goes down quite nicely and quite easily, especially when you're using a piece of zinc or copper, even aluminium. Steel's a little bit harder, but it will do the job with steel. And you look at that, you get that right down, and you've got a perfect 180 degree hook there on the bottom, ready to go. Nice clean line, really going to get you out of trouble there on site.